Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to make a scrunchie. It's super easy, you can make at home. So let's get started. So now you need black yarn, pink yarn, one ponytail. It must not be too much stretchy, one crochet stick, and one scissor. Now you have to make a knot on your ponytail and do double crochets all the way to the end. After doing double crochets, you have to move it a little to make some space. And you have to do some double crochets. Then it will look like scrunchie. Now you have to make a slip knot. Now to make a lining, you can take any color or same color and you have to do single crochets. Now you have to make a slip knot. After doing slip knot, you have to cut all the yarn that is left it. After that, your scrunchie is ready.